am Dr. Nitin Rathi, working as a senior pulmonologist in Dharamshila Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, Vasundhara Enclave since last 1 year. Dear friends, today we discuss a ancient disease, tuberculosis. In India, tuberculosis is very prevalent disease. It is seen from ancient age when there is no treatment is available. Basically, it is an infectious disease. It is caused by a bacteria, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It is basically categorized in two forms, pulmonary and extrapulmonary TB. When it involves lung, it is called pulmonary TB, and when it caused other than lungs, it is called extrapulmonary TB. It is basically categorized into pulmonary and extrapulmonary TB because of infectiousness. If it involves lungs, it is infectious. When it does not involve lungs and involves other part of the body, it is non-infectious. Basically, it is called as a consumption disease. It basically decays the body as a whole. When patient came to us in OPD, he tells us if he is suffering from the pulmonary tuberculosis, basically main symptoms are cough, sputum, blood in mouth, fever, decreased appetite and loss of weight. And when patient is suffering from extrapulmonary TB, symptoms according to symptoms involved. If the patient is suffering from bone TB, the symptoms may be related to localized site. If the patient is suffering from abdominal TB, then symptoms are according to local site. How we can diagnose the tuberculosis? For making diagnosis tuberculosis, microbiological diagnosis is mandatory. Why it is mandatory? Because there are two types of TB, normal TB and MDR TB. MDR TB which is not going to respond from the normal routine course of treatment. That's why the microbiological diagnosis is must. For this we have to take the sample from the site involved. In lungs we have to give a good quality of sputum for microbiological test. If we are not able to obtain good sample of sputum from lungs, we have to do bronchoscopy and we have to get bronchoalveolar lavage from the lungs. If this TB involves systemic disease, then we have to take the sample from that local site and we have to send that sample for microbiological test, just like GeneXpert or AFB staining or AFB culture. Then how can we going to manage this? First of all, we have to maintain it. It is normal TB or drug resistant TB. If it is normal routine course of therapy, we have to give treatment for 6 to 8 months. In initial treatment, we have to give 4 drug treatment for 2 to 3 months and then taper out to continuation phase for 4 to 6 months with lesser of drugs. If it is MDR TB, then we have to give a specialized treatment. Now, because it is a national problem and government want to eradicate this disease to 2025, there is a national tuberculosis program and DOTS Plus program. When there is we diagnose TB is a MDR TB, then government take care of its all diagnostic part and the drug treatment part. There are holistic approach of this treatment by government. In this we have to send the patient into government setup. They diagnose the patient, they do drug and culture sensitivity and they provide the drugs in daily basis and they do routine test and the drug monitoring system. Because TB is a curable disease, we can cure the TB more than 85% cases. Then we have to diagnose it properly and we have to see whether it is a normal TB or MDR TB. Normal TB we can treat at our clinic and hospital basis, and if it is MDR TB or XDR TB, then we have to refer the patient into the government system for DOTS Plus program and for proper cure. Thank you.